tricouri. Cum sunt partea aia, te rog? Da, asta, dar nu e aer, nu? Dar înainte de asta dă și mie, mă, că mai jos. Algoritm. Asta e foarte curat. Bine, da? Da. Bun. Facem partea asta. Dar nu este o să vezi. Mi se retează asta la mână. Și de-a noastră. Foarte și la tine. Da. Pune în paralel cu gamba, da? Da. Deci e 100% în paralel cu gamba. să strângi bine. Să-i ștergi, mă, mizerie. Ia mă, combină-te. Care fi la 200 de grame. Avem lichid de frână? Hai da, ăla are mult? Sau altul e asta? Nu, la fel. Dar nu mai avem aici. Da, lângă. Da. O să nu miști de ghidon să stai.
I'm more than happy and more than grateful that I'm able to come here at ASCO Group and especially to my friend Alami. We changed the brake lines because I have a modified suspension for my Transalp. I need to change the provided brake lines from the CAMEL ADV high fender kit. They were from Gelfer. They were very high quality. They are very high quality, but they are made for the standard bike. So I ordered some new brake lines, longer ones from Pro Brake with the gold banjos and the white color. I think it looks very nice on the bike. My friend Alami has mounted here at ASCO Group, has mounted them again on my bike. We change again the brake fluid. And now the bike, it's safe to ride again off-road. It's a pleasure to bring my bike into your hands. So how was this? What do you think now? How the bike looks with this?
It looks very good. I like the new high fender setup. Now you can really ride off-road. You can go through muds. Indeed, we saw the brake lines and we found out that they are not long enough. So it was dangerous because if you jump or if you do make a wheelie by mistake, let's say, or you jump with the bike, the risk was to break the brake lines. So we decided to order longer version. We added 10 centimeters to the brake lines length. And I'm really very happy with the results. It looks good. The brake is perfect. And now you can ride the bike